Hello dear students, in today's video you will learn present perfect tense. So let's get started. Present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. We are learning the perfect tenses. In the previous videos we completed the continuous tenses. If someone is new in my channel, they can visit to my channel Simplified Grammar and can watch the videos on continuous tenses and simple tenses I have made. So perfect tenses always take the third form of the verb, means any kind of perfect tense whether they are of past, present or future, means कोई भी perfect tense चाहे वो present का हो, past का हो या फिर future का हो, they take the third form of the verb. So look at the identification of present perfect tense. We will understand the identification first of all. Identification, in the identification you will see has and have along with third form of the verb. Already I told you that the perfect tense take the third form of the verb. So has and have along with or third form. How? Let's see here. I have written here, I have seen him in the market. Next one is Raju has called him. So you can see there has and have along with third form of the verb. Clearly you can see the third form of the verb along with has and have. So I hope you understood this portion. Now next we will move for the introduction in Hindi. You can see in Hindi, at the end of a Hindi sentence you will hear the sound of चुका है, चुकी है and चुके हैं. Also you will hear the sound of something लिया है, किया है and दिया है. Dear students, these days in spoken Hindi nobody says something like चुका है, चुकी है and चुके हैं. Nobody speaks like this because it is considered something like old Hindi. So in the spoken Hindi these days people speak लिया है, किया है and so in short. So therefore in order to understand this portion I have written some examples. So you can see there, look at here, वह होमवर्क कर चुका है. नेक्स्ट वन इज वे टॉस जीत चुके हैं. नेक्स्ट वन इज उसने नया बैग लिया है. नेक्स्ट इज मैंने उसे 10 रुपये उधार दिए हैं. हियर यू कैन सी चुका है, चुके हैं, लिया है, दिया है. सो दिस आइडेंटिफिकेशन यू कैन सी वेरी क्लियरली इन हिंदी. So I hope you understood the identification in Hindi very clearly. Now one question arises here, dear students, where we have to use this has and where we have to use this have. Here I will explain you. Right here you can see we use has along with the third person singular number. What are the third person singular number? He, she, it. We use he has, she has, it has. Now where we have to use this have? Have we use with rest of all subjects, whether they are singular or plural, first person or second person, no problem. So these are the subjects with we use have. You can see there I have, we have, you have and they have. So I hope you understood now where to use have and where to use have. So this portion I explained you and you understood. Now we will understand its rules and regulations. You can see their rules. It has also look at here the certain set of rules. What is the rule? Look at here, subject plus has and have along with third form of the verb. This is the rule for positive sentence or affirmative sentence. Next one is subject plus has not or have not. Has not or have not. Changing negative form of this tense is little easy than the other tenses. Look at here. This is the negative rule for negative sentence. Here has not and have not along with third form. Next, this is the rule for interrogative: has and have at the beginning of sentence. Next, subject plus verb third form plus object. This is the rule for interrogative sentence. Now we will understand these set of rules with the help of examples. Look at here. One example I have written: you have seen the Taj Mahal. So you is your subject, then plus has and have. With you we use have, you have. So subject plus has or have plus verb third form. You can see there the third form of the verb: see, saw, seen. So you have seen the Taj Mahal. Now it's negative: you have not seen the Taj Mahal. You can see there subject plus has not plus verb third form, then your object. So this is your negative statement or negative sentence. Now for a question: have. What is the rule for interrogative? Have and has and have at the beginning. So here you can see have at the beginning of this sentence. So have you seen the Taj Mahal? So sign of interrogation, question mark. So this is your interrogative sentence: subject plus has and have plus subject plus verb third form. So I hope you understood this rule with the help of this example. If you don't understand, if you did not understand, I will explain you one more example. Look at here. One example is here, you can see here, he has completed homework. Means वो homework कर चुका है. So you can see there, if we have to convert its negative, how we will say उसने काम homework नहीं किया है या फिर नहीं कर चुका है. So convert this: he has not completed his homework. So you can see there subject plus has not plus third form of the verb. Now it's interrogative form: has he completed homework? So you can see there has at the beginning, then subject inside. You know how to make the interrogative forms. Always the helping verbs comes first, then subject goes in. So has he completed homework? Now you can make this, we made already. This one also you can make very easily if you know the rules. This and this, everything you can make very clearly or very easily if you know the rules and regulations of these tenses. For an example, you can see there, I will tell you here, I have lent him 10 rupees. मैंने उसे 10 रुपए उधार दिए हैं. So what I taught you in the introduction. These days nobody speaks like चुका है, चुकी है. People speak दिया है, किया है and all. So look at here. I have lent him 10 rupees. मैंने उसे 10 रुपए उधार दिए हैं. Its negative will be मैंने उसे 10 रुपए नहीं दिए हैं. I have, you can write there, I have not lent, because lent. I have not lent him 10 rupees. It's negative. Then if you want to ask the question, you can write there, have I lent him 10 rupees? So I hope you understood what I taught you. I taught you identification in English. Then I taught you identification in Hindi. Then I gave you few examples. Then I taught you has and have, where to use and how to use. Then I taught you set of rules. I explained you these set of rules with the help of examples. So I hope you understood. If you like this video and if you like, you can subscribe